My name is Adam from Exterra Veritas, the home of custom manufactured luxury cigar rooms. I wanted to give you some design insight into one of the classical lounge designs we are soon to be building here in the UK. My aim was to make this cigar sampling room a statement by creating a space efficient in its function, yet classically timeless, where comfort and opulence work in harmony. As you can see, this is a commercial lounge, which has been accompanied by a cigar shop for operational purposes, but this one has a purposely built walk-in humidor with keeps, ensuring sufficient precious stock at all times. A bank of tobacco, we like to call it. From the finest sought-after Cubans to the untold variety from the boutiques of the New World flavours. The sampling lounge itself has been formed as an enclosed room clad with fine Italian joinery in ebony Micasa. Decorative wall panelling is obviously grain matched throughout the entire space, layered with a high gloss polyester lacquer, providing a mirror-like shine, working well within a dark theme of this space. I've designed the ceiling sections to follow suit of the wall sections in the Micasa, but structured in a grid-like formation of layered squares in order by size, and these incorporate the high-level extract ductwork. We've taken into consideration the structural aspects of the ceiling weight to ensure correct safe loading onto the existing building fabric. At Exterra Veritas, we glorify finely cultivated natural produce by ensuring its preservation, whereby perfect function is accompanied by a natural form. So I'm staying true to this, and I've designed the ceiling geometry to essentially mimic the airflow that takes place through the smoke extraction points. I've used layered square lines to project a message of equal stratification, calculated, just like everything in this space. The general layout of the lounge has to be arranged to be alluring from a perspective within the walk-in humidor. It's a logical path for one to pursue. The central display humidor is a custom-built climate-controlled cigar humidor, ensuring the perfect storage environment for maintaining the glorious limited edition house reserve cigars and aged whiskies, which can be paired to cater for your palate by one of the sommelier trained staff. It's a royal piece of cigar storage art in this cave of fine natural materials. Following the theme of fine natural materials, we're using a first grade book match natural stone. I've selected one of my favourites, Calcutta Oro, which contrasts the dark ebony walls, and it draws attention to the key items of furniture within the room. The champagne display is a custom built refrigerated unit operating at +1 degrees C. It's made from a bespoke insulated structure, ensuring every bottle from the famous cuvée producer Armand de Brignac is at perfect storage temperature. Across the centre of this display, we have created a focal point to store Magnum bottles, with the orientation of the compartment lines following links within the strap of the renowned Rolex watch brand. Naming this display the Links of Magnum. With my engineering background, I've integrated a laboratory-grade HVAC ventilation system, ensuring the correct amounts of fresh air for the occupancy while providing a high-rate smoke extract functionality. Where allowable, we have opted to select non-combustible materials or highly fire-resistant variants without compromising the luxury feel. Through careful fire strategy planning, ensures the highest level of safety from a commercial sampling lounge. There'll of course be a full sprinkler system along with specialist odour filtration systems. These will ensure minimal smell pollution for the discreet smokers. We have acoustically engineered the space so that the climate control systems execute the high rate of air movement throughout the cigar room at the lowest sound decibels. The flooring is to be a luxury parquet base with a cross-patterned diamond brass inlay, further showing the attention to detail. And we have custom sofas and chairs. These are hybrid Chesterfields essentially, a name synonymous with seating comfort, but maximising occupancy, a perfect fit for efficient operation. To conclude, this is just a small example of what we do here at Exterra Veritas, designing and building luxury spaces like this cigar room, where we bridge the gap of engineering and luxury through our understanding of thermodynamics, materials, and a passion for fine natural produce to be preserved. Exterra Veritas, from the ground, there is truth. Happy smoking.